पकड़ा दो यार
Thank you so much.
No, let's get you go now. You don't want to start something now. I don't want to leave you alone, man. I need your support. I'm getting my brother. I'll go with the money. Actually, I've been in the hotel room too.
ठीक है ना जाना सफर करो आप आवा तो
I like the picture, but I don't like the joke.
I know that.
Good.
Thank you so much. देखा वो कह रहे थैंक यू फैमिली के कपड़े आए हो सपोर्ट हमें कर रहे हो